to show some lathering video of a few of my soaps that I've made. I'm going to do a couple of them. These ones are actually just my sample ones that I've been giving out with my orders. So I want to show you just a simple lather test with even the smallest bit of the soap that I made. And then we have a new soap bar for the kitchen. So I'm going to actually do this one first. And this one will be the one that stays in the kitchen. It's the one that my oldest son was saying about making a chocolate scented one. So it definitely fits into the kitchen. Look at the lather already. And I've barely rubbed my hands on it. Now with the texture, it makes it even more with the lather because it's a little bit bumpy. So you have like a little bit of a scrub when I did that drop on there. So I'm going to just rinse the bar off. I'll put it up there while we do that. And yeah, so obviously we've been using soap like crazy during this time. I mean, all the time we're using soap, but this time for sure. And this is only just doing this. This isn't even using a loofah or anything like that. So yeah, that's that bar. And my hands feel so soft and smell so good. I just hope that I don't lick my finger or something because it does smell like chocolate, obviously. So keeping on with the fragrance of it, this one is my 3 flavored ice cream one. So again, it doesn't take much to start a lather. And this is only a little tiny bit of soap. So these sample ones that I've been giving out, someone actually commented and said that they were perfect for when they were going out and traveling, or even when they were just going out for the evening and they don't want to use the restaurant soap or anything like that. So some people do bring their own soaps along with them. So that's awesome for me because all soaps are soaps and they're being used regardless. So it doesn't matter what size they are. So that is that one. Just gonna rinse off. And my third one that I'm going to show you, just so that you can see that it's different soaps that I'm doing it, like testing on, not the same one. But this is my fresh, the Rainbow Garden one. And it does have a floral garden scent to it. So I'm going to give this one. It's one of, oh, this one's really smelling good. Now it's, I got the lather going on there. Yeah, it smells really pretty. I mean, you know it from making it anyways, but once you're actually using it is what you always wonder. Like every soaper wonders, like, okay, is that fragrance going to stay there? Is it going to be good? And whatnot. So yeah, this is definitely a great lather, and that again is only a partial piece of soap, so you don't even need to use a lot of soap. So these ones last long. Now, to make them last longer, try and keep them in a dry area. Try not to keep them where there's moisture. I mean, and I know you got a shower and stuff like that, but try not to leave them in the direct area of water. So don't leave them on, like, I think there's designated areas in some showers. Ours doesn't. We have a little ledge, I guess, because it's different over here in Ireland. But some places will have a ledge that'll have, like, for your soap bar and stuff like that. So, yeah. So if you were hesitant, or you were questioning, or you were wondering about the handmade soaps, definitely go and get them. They're so much better for your skin anyways because there's no added chemicals. Most soaps, like myself, are using olive oils. Most people are okay with just olive oil or just the coconut oil. I'm going to rinse that off now. I use olive oil, coconut oil, cocoa butter, and yeah, castor oil sometimes too. And sometimes I've been adding in kaolin clay. So that is that. So yeah, beautiful, fresh smelling hands that are cleaned up 3 times, not just once. So yeah, enjoy your day. Thumbs up for this video if you like it. And again, always encourage and help and share those homemade gifts and stuff like that, and regardless of what they are, people put a lot of work into them. So soaping is my thing, as well as other things too, but soaping is my new thing, and it's fun. And that, if I'm keeping your hands clean while you're out, that's awesome. So yeah, have a great day, guys. Bye for now.